Look at this photo. These are my two friends.
Hello, what are their names?
His name is Daniel and her name is Laura.
Where are they from?
Daniel is from Mexico and Laura is from Spain.
How old is Daniel?
Daniel is 20 years old.
Is he a student?
Yes, he is an engineering student.
And Laura, how old is she?
Laura is 22 years old.
Is she a teacher?
No, she not a teacher. She a nurse.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Now look at this photo.
What are the three names?
His name is Marco and her name is Sofia.
Where is Marco from?
Marco is from Peru.
Is she a doctor?
No, he's at medical students.
And Sophia, where is she from?
Sofia is from the unit student.
How old is she?
She's 9.
Is she a student too?
Yes, she's studying architecture.
Perfect. Well, it was nice meeting you friends.
Likewise, see you soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.